Hey everyone, I'm Greg with Drifter Journey. Today I got a quick video I'm going to do for you, but I got my tuned camper here, and I've been wanting to cover the locks for a while now because the rear ones on mine get a little gummed up with dirt and whatnot while I'm on the road, and makes it a little harder to put the keys in. So we got some latch covers here. We actually got these from GFC. We got the 6-pack, so I can cover all 6 locks, and I'm going to show you how easy the install is. I think the pack was like 30 bucks. I will note the only thing I saw, there's only one review actually, but people, well, that person was making the complaint that in cold temperatures these get really stiff and are hard to open. So they recommended the ones that are available through other people, Etsy and whatnot. But they feel real nice. I already put one on, and I'm hoping that cold weather is not going to be an issue. I will put an update in the comments if it is once we're out camping in some cold weather. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, purchase anything through our links below. It does help support the channel. So what you're going to need to do to put these on is just open this up. And then, let's see if I can do it one-handed. I locked the latch. I got an Allen wrench. I don't know what size because it just came out of my kit. But you're just going to take off this little cover that's holding it in. Try not to drop everything. You get that. Once you do that, the lock just pops out the top, and then you're gonna just, let's see if I can set you down here. So that can be like that. I'm gonna face it in, so I'm just gonna put that through it, drop that back through, and then put this back on to hold it in place. Alright, so I screwed that back on. Pop it. Put it on. Close it. And then this might be where the complaint is. They're pretty stiff, as you can see, but I'm obviously just doing it with one hand here. So they feel like they're going to stay on nice and solid. I'm just wondering if it gets cold, if they might get a little too rigid to pop. But they look pretty nice to me. They're 3D printed. The other cool thing is GFC has the file on their website. So if you get a 3D printer, you want to make them yourself, they're sharing that file. So that's really cool. Yeah, so if you have any questions, leave them below. Let us know what you think. That's a real simple video. I got the 6-pack. I'm going to put them all on. Thanks for watching.